In this video, I will show you how you can bring up the on-screen keyboard on any iPad. Now, the on-screen keyboard should appear automatically when you open a text field. Now, if you have opened the text field, but if the keyboard did not appear, just tap on the text field and the keyboard will appear automatically on the screen, just like that. But if it didn't, then just check if you have connected any external keyboard to your iPad or not. If you have connected any wired keyboard, just unplug the keyboard from your iPad. But if you have connected any Bluetooth keyboard, then just open the control center on your iPad, then go to the connection section. From here, just turn off Bluetooth. After you turn off Bluetooth, then just check if your issue has been fixed or not. Because when you connect an iPad to an external keyboard, your iPad will expect that you will use the external keyboard instead of the on-screen keyboard, so it will not show it on the screen. But if this also did not work, then just go to Settings, and under Settings, just scroll down and tap on General. Under the General Settings, just tap on Software Update, and from here, just check if you have any update available or not. If you have any software update available, just update the software of your iPad. After you do that, then just go to your home screen and perform a force restart on your iPad. For that, just press and release the volume up and down buttons. Then quickly press and hold the side button on your iPad until the screen goes black and the Apple logo appears on the screen. Once the Apple logo appears on the screen, just release the side button. And this is how you can bring up the on-screen keyboard on any iPad. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Thank you for watching.